Hey, how you doing? Justin here. In this lesson I want to tell you about some of the great songs that you might want to try for lesson 3, the ones that highlight using E minor and A minor, the new chords, and that are also good for strumming. There's a few actually that are really great songs. The first one's Sing by Ed Sheeran, which is E minor and A minor chords for the whole song. They're not particularly fast changes between them either, so it's a really good chance to be playing your new chord, working on keeping your rhythm really consistent, knowing that rhythm is the key thing here. You really want to be training that up. Keep the rhythm simple. If you want to use some of the strumming patterns that we've used in this lesson, that's great. Just pick one pattern, see if you can keep that consistent while you play along with the song. Fantastic tune. Another one that also just uses E minor and A minor is Moves Like Jagger by Maroon 5. Another one, I mean, it's got a great groove. It's a little bit faster, so you might feel like that's a little scarier, but it's a great song, again, just alternating between those two chords. And another one, a little on the easier side, A minor and E minor again, is I Belong to You by Lenny Kravitz. Okay, it's a lot slower song, so if you're struggling with the chord changes, you might find that's a better one to get going with. If you want to work on other changes like E minor to A, another great one is Use Me by Bill Withers, which is E minor to A all of the way through. All of those songs are available on the Beginner Song Course app, so you might want to check that out if you're into the Guitarioke play-along thing, which I do. I honestly think it's the best way to put this stuff into practice, but there's a whole heap of other songs that you'll find on the website page for this as well, linked some from my original songbooks, a load of other lessons as well. There are plenty songs that we can use, that we can learn with just the chords that we've used so far in this course. Would be really awesome to see some videos of some of you guys and girls playing these songs as well. So if you fancy making a little video of yourself, pop it up on YouTube and email me over a link. I'd definitely love to check it out, or let me know on social media. Use a hashtag JustinGuitar or leave a comment on one of my posts, and I'll do my best to go and see your video, maybe give you some feedback, maybe even link it from this website. Really hope you're enjoying playing these tunes. See you for more very soon. Bye bye.